our first tour trip to Beijing. Gonna start with some old city walks, Hutong, and later on today we're gonna go to the Forbidden City and to the temples. So it's gonna be super interesting. So if you guys don't want to see me, I'm gonna switch the camera around to the girls and off we go.
So far, there are 25, but the drums is that tower.
Here, she wants to try.
Yeah, banana is clockwise or counterclockwise. It's really good for shoulder and arms. Yeah, even the shoulder.
I'll stay here. Yeah.
It's like a torture for you.
Oh.
That you are tolerate.
Oh, I cannot stop.
It's really comfortable.
Wow. Wow. Is this the national team?
No. This is a alley. That is what called Hutong. The different Hutong named after.
Whenever you wonder why we have so nice pictures all the time, Mamarazzi is on the go.
Let's see, here you have craft beer.
Oh. You should do northbound craft beers. We wait until we cross. Oh, look, he has some experience, poor guy. I'll put some stickers on it so you don't destroy the car. Stores in it? Okay. Ibis Hotel. Interesting. I love those little houses with the little stores and stuff.
Yeah. 别来回走了，往回走的话，这样顾客就觉得我是在领错路，你知道吧？
Luckily, I speak fluent Chinese, so I understand everything.
我就别往回走了，要不你们就来接我，你让我走。
So we're gonna go hunting for the entrance of the doors to know who lives inside.
是
If it is a shape of a drum, it was a military. And if it is a square, it must be like someone who studied a lot, like a
Sure.
scholar.
Yeah, scholar.
So now we go hunting.
Let's go hunting.
Very good.
I'm gonna try to catch up with the ladies. Outrunning me today.
So now the area we are in, it's for the middle class. The first one we were in was for the poor. Now it's the middle class, and here in the middle class area, it's common to have 2-3 floors.
Oh,
Whereas
wow.
on the other side was only
It was
one
only
floor.
one floor, right? So here we wanna have high-rise, well, not high-rise, 2 or 3
So,
floors.
oh, that's the square.
Aha, the square one. So the square ones, like was explained to us, the studied people. So literate. Okay. And yeah, as you can see, there's lots and lots of flags out. This is because today is the first day actually after the week of celebration. China had its National Day, 75 years of the People's Republic of China. So this is why all the flags are still out.
The road just made a distribution. Yeah, and the below the middle class and the upper the middle class. Yeah.
这个是穷人，我们是第一穷的人，第一家。
Now we're visiting a local family. Oh, look at that.
来了，
Let's see what's behind all those pretty walls and doors.
有的10分、20分。
Fit through. Yeah.
这是嫂子家，
Dr. Hutong.
这边是我的家，啊，这边是我的家，这是嫂子家。
And she lived there.
对
Okay.
对，我们都是一家。
Lived by one
对
family.
一个月，进屋坐，进屋坐。
So there's actually people living here.
对。
Because that's so the should be related to Chinese culture, preserved, so not too much room left. Yeah. So some the yard lived by one family, some yard lived by the several families. Yeah.
谢谢。
这
哎，
个
谢谢您啊，
茉莉
姐姐。
花茶，
This is jasmine tea.
Wow.
Yeah, the local people's popular tea. 你的手机啊。
这个是老北京的江米条。
This is a local dessert in Beijing. They're made of the sticky flour, yeah, and the sugar. Yeah, you can try.
你们是哪趟哪儿的人？
She asked me where you are from.
We live in Norway.
挪威的。
I am
Norway
from
人。
Mauritius, a little island.
She said Sophia is so pretty. That's a free talk. Even I think maybe you the first time for you to come to China, even the first time for you to visit the locals family. If you have any question about the family's history and even the house history, we can have the free conversation.
钟楼、鼓楼。
Yeah, we can go upstairs. You can see the drum and the bell tower. Yeah. Gerard?
Come.
Yeah, you're next one. Be careful. Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Ah, look at the roofing. This is so nice. It's all in the details. And up here we have the oasis. My God, look at that.
看着多清啊！
Who saw that coming? This is beautiful.
我们这里头这个他们那个谁没上歌也是。
It's the little oasis above all the hustle and bustle, right?
Very
Nice.
relaxed.
Yeah.
Even they can
How
the
nice.
cook is for somebody. You can have a meal here.
And you have the street down there. We're
And
walking.
even you can see the bell tower.
这里头
对呀
留了一个这个就是我们养点花儿，
And towers. Far, far, far in the distance.
Yeah.
学毛笔字儿，
This is nice.
剪纸啊什么的，圆珠。
What do you think? Nice?
See? That's the flowers.
What fruit is this?
那我们下
Maybe
去。
Sophia one day.
我给你拿一个。
Get a room. Get a room for Sophia one
Your
day.
mom started to do business.
Yes. Always.
Careful.
这个是
Related.
来北京了，这就来
This
过
is
北京的胡
Chinese
同。
Beijing the mascot.
对，
It's a Hutong souvenir.
这是北京的胡
When you go
同。
home, you can put it
Oh, 谢谢.
at home, and even you can put it on the
Hutong.
car.
In the car.
换钱呢。
多少多几钱？
谢谢.
谢谢，啊，走了，
谢谢哈。
哎，你慢点啊。
去下一站去哪儿？钟楼。
有机会我们再去。
谢谢。
对，我们去爬钟楼，钟楼9点半才开。好吧，谢谢您啊，
Hi, bye bye. Bye.
欢迎你，拜拜，拜拜。
Bye.
OK。
To the back lake with husband. Yeah, I guess you.
So walking through the Hutong area, what really strikes you here?
20 years.
Listen to that. It is so quiet. I mean, you have the main streets literally a couple meters or 100 meters or something this way. You're in Beijing, in the city center, you can say. But it's so quiet here. It's beautiful. It's tranquil. Its tranquility is unbelievable. So you have trees, it's green. You have all those little houses. And they're all kind of enclosed. So you have to go in, you have to go into the door first. And then you will see it will open up. It's amazing. I mean, the whole, how can you put that? It's really, really nice here. It's just quiet and peaceful. So I think people living here, they really enjoy that. And what our guide explained to us, most of those places here they're privately owned. And this is one of the most expensive land in Beijing you can get is in this area. So basically what she said, everybody living here should be a millionaire basically, or maybe is and doesn't know. But the fact, of course, land is scarce, or becoming more and more scarce, especially in the center. It does make sense. It does make sense. But wow, all the trees, the green, and those guys, you don't hear them coming. all the little motorbikes here, they're all electric. It's crazy. If they don't use the horn and honk at you, you don't hear them. It's almost a bit scary. But yeah, this place, to say until now China delivers, it's really, really nice. So, 10 o'clock, the jacket came off. We're really lucky with the weather. 20 something degrees forecast. Take it any day. God, you really don't hear them coming. See where the girls are. Oh my God, I have to sit. Look at that. They're actually trying that. There. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at them. Get Gina go.
Try. Giraffe,
Okay.
try.
Uh-huh.
One more.
Don't kill me. Okay, you. Thank you. Okay, I hit it 2 times. So, how was it? Funny. Okay, we're heading to the bell tower now. We're gonna go up there. Phew, I'm expecting to see the bells, or the bell. Okay, just turning you around. There we are. Up there. Gonna be climbing. Oh. Yeah, well. Those things are good, right? Yeah. No, not like that.
This is the leg up and exercise your abdominal. Yeah.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh. Down, up, down, up.
So you can see we're all pretty sporty.
Like a straight up.
Very sporty family. Yeah, we stand out in the crowd.
Gerald didn't try.
No, Gerald is filming.
Gerard afraid us to give
Gerald is super sporty.
Great. The score.
So we were just informed, bell tower, it's only 75 steps. 75 steps. Let's see. Upstairs. Oh, oh. Okay. There's things happening here. Where's the elevator? Okay. Yep. So we don't stop.
Please watch on the stairs.
We did it, one would think. And then we discovered there's more. There's a nice peak of Beijing here. The girls actually got a chance to take a picture. Have a look at the bell. What is it?
that is a Tiananmen Square and the Forbidden City.
So this big bell,
Yeah. And
right here,
even behind
this you would hear when they open the ports from the city with the old walls. So in the morning, whenever they open, you hear the bell. And for the closing in the evening was the drums. Boom, 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 boom. That meant basically get out. It's what we do nowadays with flashing the lights, I guess. Here you have the, would you call it a drumstick? No, it's not the drumstick, obviously, but this is the wood that you would bang on the
hours, but in the old days,
the
2
bell.
hours.
Cool.
Equal to and extend it. Yes.
Though there we have the Hutong. We just visited all the small tiny houses. This is so cool.
You quickly see
Our park.
building around
We
the
did our sports tonight, today.
It's the only older house preserved well.
So as we're digging into our food, I noticed that the kitchen is standing watching us. Kind of funny, very sweet. It's really, really, really delicious. And our guide, she was afraid this is not enough food. Haha, she brought us some more stuff, which are kind of filled pancakes, right? This here, filled with, what did you say with meat? Not enjoying it all. Now guys, this was, I mean, apart from this this tofu with a pickled duck egg, this was really, I think none of us did like it, so not recommended. Everything else is like really, really delicious, really enjoyable. Sophia is having a soup right now. How is that? Super good. Small wontons and meatballs, so definitely you just tell the guys not to make it spicy. It's spot on. Ours is spicy, you see it in the red lips and in the sweat. Love it. So this is our glorious cook. Nice grandma standing there. That's why the food is so good. I can tell you it was really, 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 really delicious. Well, we couldn't finish everything because Gina ordered way too much food for us.
Oh, hope you enjoy the food here.
Very much. Thank you so much. So it was really, really amazing. So I'm gonna give you the name of this place later on, once I get it. Something I can read. Otherwise it's gonna be a picture. Okay guys, if you're in Beijing, this right behind me, this is the what was it again? The drum tower. The bell drum. And here, this is the little restaurant we just went. If you come here, highly, highly recommend. Super, super good food. It's really amazing. If you have the chance, grab a bite here. Absolutely cool. And it really doesn't cost the world either. Here in Beijing, you can really enjoy yourself.